Grade 7, welcome back to my living room. I've skipped ahead a little bit to an important topic, but also a topic I think we can do together online better than others. We're going to do probability first. We'll do chapter 11 and chapter 12, and then go back to what we were doing before we left school. Hopefully I will see you back at school soon. I'll be looking forward to seeing you this week. Probability 11-1. Okay? Probability is the likelihood of an event occurring. Probability is the likelihood of event occurring. Some examples of probability: flipping a coin, probability of getting heads or tails. Another type of probability is rolling a dice. Do I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6? Picking teams for a math game. If I pick Gage's name first, what's the probability I'll pick Maddie's name second? When the weatherman says there's a 40% chance of rain today, that is probability. Okay? And I've written the ways we can write probability. First, all probability is between 0 and 1 chance. I can never have a greater chance than 1. I can never have a less chance of 0 chance of happening. We can write it as words. 0 is impossible. The only way it could be 0 for probability is impossible to happen. Okay? 0% is another way of writing it. And as a fraction, 0 over 2. It could be 0 over 10, 0 over 5, 0 over 6. But as a fraction, impossible, the probability is 0 over something. Next, in the middle, we'll go back to the sides in a second. As likely as not. 50% chance of happening. That is best example is a coin. I have a half chance of landing on tails. I have a 0.5 or 50% of landing on tails. Certain. Has to happen no matter what. 100%. 1 whole. 2 over 2. Any fraction. 8 over 8. 10 over 10 means it's certain. And in between 0 and a half, it's unlikely. Some things are more unlikely than others, but anything from 0 to a half is unlikely. 22%. 3/8, all unlikely. Between half and certain is likely. 75%. 9/10. 32/33 isn't certain, but is likely to happen. See you soon.